First thing that we're gonna do is mix together our cream, lemon extract, and egg yolks. Crack your egg open and jiggle the yolk back and forth between the shells. Boop, boop. The next step is to add your flour, butter, and mix together. The dough is now ready and it smells so good. After you've rolled out the dough, we're gonna place it on top of the tart pan. To do so, I like to roll the dough onto my rolling pin like this, and then pick it up, boop, 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 and bring it over and just kind of unroll it. Using some fresh blueberries and chopped up kiwis. I'm using these two fruits and colors to decorate the tart to look like the globe. I'll start by placing the blueberries to look like the ocean. Dee-dee, we got a bunch of ocean. Now I'm gonna use the chopped kiwis to fill in the land. And ta-da! There you have it, our Earth Tart that we made in celebration of Earth Day. It's coming up soon. I'm so excited. I really hope you guys enjoyed this episode.